Hello and welcome to a Theme Park Worldwide News Update. Good Gravy is a new roller coaster coming to Holiday World located in Indiana, USA in 2024. It's set to be a Vekoma Family Boomerang, and in this video I'm going to share all of the details that we know so far about Good Gravy, and along with that talk about the theme, the statistics for the ride, and of course we'll have a look at the official POV and animation footage too. Now first I just wanted to start off by talking a little bit about Holiday World. It really is a fantastic park, and yeah, with the name Good Gravy, it's going to fit in brilliant to the overall theme of Holiday World. If you haven't guessed already, or maybe you've never visited or heard of the park before, it's all based on the different seasons, the different holidays. You got Halloween, Christmas, Thanksgiving, 4th of July. It all comes together in this fantastic and unique theme and experience, and it's going to fit in really well with the Thanksgiving themed area, with it being called Good Gravy. I like saying it like that. But yeah, I'm really excited for this one because it's a much needed kind of family coaster going into this park. But if you want to know more about Holiday World, check out the vlog that me and Charlotte did back in June as part of our USA road trip. We had a great time, we filmed some POVs, and we loved getting back there. I mean, Charlotte had never been before, but it was my second visit, and I loved it just as much as the first, if not even more. So we're also speculating about this. We'd heard that there was going to be a Vekoma Family Boomerang going in, but it wasn't confirmed, and of course we didn't know the name, the theme, or the layout, and all of that information we know now for this video. But yeah, a bit of backstory for you about the park and exactly why they've gone for this name. I love it. I think it's really unique, and yeah, it's just going to fit in beautifully into what Holiday World is all about. So yeah, let's get into the stats about the coaster, shall we? Now, built by Dutch manufacturer Vekoma, one of their family boomerang models. In Europe, we've got quite a lot of these. In the USA, not so much, and in fact, over in the US, you don't really have a lot of the new generation Vekoma roller coasters, so it's nice to see them kind of going into that. Granted, I'd love to see some more thrill coasters from Vekoma come to the US, because obviously it's a lot of older ones now, the boomerangs, the classic loopers. It'd be nice to see some more modern Vekoma coming to the US, because yeah, they're a great manufacturer now, and they do some really good stuff, very smooth coasters, great train design, and yeah, the layouts are great. But yeah, as much as it's a family coaster for this park, this is much needed for Holiday World. They've got 5 coasters at the moment. 3 of those are wooden coasters. You've got the wing coaster from B&M, which is launched, and a small little Zamperla kiddie coaster. So really, in terms of a family coaster, this is going to fit in beautifully. Of course, I'd say a couple of the woodies could be classed as a family coaster, really, if you wanted them to be. However, this is a true family coaster. It's steel, it's going to fit in great, it's going to be well themed, and that's what looks brilliant about this one. So it's going to be 77 foot tall, it's going to feature just under 1,500 feet of track and have a top speed of 37 miles an hour. Now, like I say, it will be in that Thanksgiving area of the park. It's going to be all themed around dinner at Grandma Grace's house, and yeah, the trains look amazing. The train design literally is gravy boats. Like, you can actually see gravy on the front. How are they going to do that? Like, I can't wait to see it, how it's done. But yeah, it looks fantastic. Maybe it'll just be like fiberglass on the front to look like the gravy being poured out the boat. But yeah, the train looks fantastic. Looks like from the animation footage here that we're going to have like a pre-show area, all indoor kind of queue line. It looks really well themed. And then on the outside, you're going to have these large kitchen objects. You've got a whisk, you've got a rolling pin, you've got a big can that you're going to go through. Looks like there's a new play area going in there as well, the restrooms, and yeah, this whole area of the park is going to be developed and changed with this ride going in, and it looks fantastic. And like I said, a much needed family coaster for Holiday World, which will fit in beautifully. It really will. So yeah, I'm looking forward to this. It's not one of those that obviously, you know, we rush out to go and ride straight away next year. However, next time we do come round to visiting Holiday World, I would definitely you know, make sure, you know, we get to the park and go and give this a go when we're in the area, because it'll be a really nice addition. And like I say, these Vekoma Family Boomerangs flying off the shelves from Vekoma here in Europe, and it's nice to see more of that coming over to the USA as well. But yeah, I'm sure it'll be a really nice addition and fit in really well to their lineup as well, and starting to add in more for all the family, which is, of course, is good to see. It's a more well-rounded theme park and water park there too, so I feel like this will be a brilliant addition for them. And of course, yeah, wish them all the best of success for it. It's a family-owned park, really friendly folks there. We had a great visit, so like I say, check out the vlog from June if you haven't already seen it here on the channel. We've had a couple of days of news updates, so make sure you check out yesterday's all about Top Thrill 2 coming to Cedar Point in Ohio, USA next year, and also an update from Alton Towers here in the UK, talking about 2 rides that will be remaining closed for 2023. As we move into next week, there's going to be some more updates to share with you all, with some more theme park news. American Heartland, a new theme park for Oklahoma, that was recently announced, so I'm going to share my thoughts on that. Also, Falcon's Flight is starting to take shape at Six Flags Qidr in Saudi Arabia, so I'll have an update on that. And I'm also going to share my thoughts on how Epic Universe is coming together at Universal Orlando, because it looks incredible. Really want to bring you up the latest and share my thoughts on what I'm seeing there, because it's really exciting. So stay tuned for all those updates. We've got Oakwood Theme Park coming up tomorrow with a vlog on the channel, including, of course, riding on Megaphobia after it's retracked by the Gravity Group. So yeah, stay tuned for that. It's coming up tomorrow here on Theme Park Worldwide. That leaves us with one final thing to say. Get out there, keep on riding. See you in tomorrow's vlog.